Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron naman tayong mathematical question na nanggagaling sa Battle of the Brains High School Division Difficult Round. And here's the question. Two numbers differ by 1 and their cubes differ by 91. What is the larger number? Okay, first, hanapin muna natin ang simplified. So, since two numbers differ by 1, let's take x as the smaller number. S means small. Tapos, since it differ by 1, let's take x plus 1 as the larger number. Since ang hinahanap dito, the larger number of the cube. And now, if we're about to convert this into cube, this will be x cubed, while this one, the larger one, is with the quantity of x plus 1 cubed. Okay? Next, we need to find the equation that differ by 91. So, we will take up the larger number, which is x plus 1 cube. Ito, nakasulat na. Subtract by x cube. Kasi nga sabi rito, differ. So, it's subtract. Is equal to 91. And next, we need to expand the larger one, which is with the quantity of x plus 1 cube. Ito po yung gagawin natin. Ito po ang ating i-expand. Okay? So, this will be x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Ayan po. Ito po ang gagamitin natin. Ito po ang expanded form nito. So, we will take the parentheses of these. Minus x cubed is equal to 91. As we can see dito, mayroong like terms which is x cubed at kapwa ng x cube as well. So, we will cross out these. So, this will be 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 91. Then next, for us to get the roots of x, we will transpose this 91 dito before the equal sign. So, this will be 3x squared plus 3x. Since kapag nilipat natin siya rito, imbes na positive, that will be negative. Negative 91 plus 1, that will be negative 90. As we can see naman dito, this can be simplified by 3. The answer for this, kapag na-simplified siya, that will be x squared plus x. Negative 90 divided by 3 is negative 30. So, ayan na po. Ito na po ang finalized. Now, we need to find the roots of this. We need to find the two factors. Kung i-add natin yan, that will be equal to 1, which is x. So, dalawang choice nito. 5 and negative 6 or 6 and negative 5. So, if we're about to add 5 and negative 6, that will be negative 1. So, it cannot be. Ito po, kung 6 plus negative 5, that will be 1. Ito po ang gagamitin natin for us to find the roots. So, that will be x plus 6 and x minus 5. And now, for us to get the roots, in each parenthesis, this should be equivalent to 0. Itong x will be equal to negative 6. Tapos ito po, it will be 5. Then next, always choose the positive value, which is 5. So, x is equal to 5. Then kung babalikan natin, what is the larger number? Don't forget the equation I put a while ago, which is x plus 1. So, we will take 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And this is the final answer. I hope we learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.